Yes, ma'am. Yeah, audible to me.
So, Sean, you have applied for this course, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
PR, applying for PR.
Yes, yes.
Which country?
Canada.
Okay, so this is first time you're preparing for this exam, IELTS.
First time. Yes, ma'am. First
Okay,
time.
it's first time. Okay, so where are you currently residing?
Currently residing in Mumbai, ma'am.
Okay, you are from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay,
Yeah.
so working somewhere or means
No,
profession?
yeah, I'm currently working, ma'am, in
Okay,
SBI Life.
okay,
Yeah.
SBI. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Sean, let's understand. Please maintain one register, okay, for the notes section and all. What I am going to write, please note it down side by side. So, let's understand what
Yes.
is IELTS basically. Okay, it's an international English language testing system. If you are going to the foreign land, so they are going to test your proficiency in this language. Okay, so there are four
Okay.
modules. You have to give the test of four modules in this: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Your
Speaking.
Yes, your speaking exam is basically not on the same time. Means you're listening, reading, and you're writing. Three modules, it's on same time, same day. Okay? But
Okay.
your speaking exam, it can be prior to that or after that, or in other case, if it is on the same day, then it will be some other time. So it's like this, the speaking one.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So today I'm going to start with your reading module first. And I think you have applied for the weekends classes only Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, ma'am. Because the thing is that on weekdays I'll be having work, no. So probably when I come back home, it's being become too
I
like late,
understand.
like
You are
around
from
10
banking
o'clock.
sector now. That's the problem, right?
Yeah, yeah, that is one. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, even one my more student is also actually he's also from Lucknow. He's the head of this ICI branch in Lucknow. So he was all like
Okay.
he's also training, taking the same training as you are taking. He's also from banking
Okay.
sector. Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let us understand. I'm going to write everything in the chat option side by side, note it down. General
Okay.
reading is of 60 minutes. Can you see my messages in the chat option?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, reading basically is of 1 hour. General reading, and it's basically you will get 1 hour and 40 questions. It comprises of 40 questions to solve. And it has three
Okay.
sections basically. The paper, section 1 comprises of two or three text. Text means they will give you passages, maybe two or three.
Okay.
Section 2 has two text, two passages they will give. And section 3 has one long text. So structure is like this for the general PR reading paper. Okay, 40 questions, 1 hour,
Okay.
three sections are there. Section 1, two or three text. Section 2, two text. And section 3, one long text. 40 questions in total. Now
Okay.
coming now coming to the task types. What type of exercises? That comes under these three sections.
Okay.
They can give you true, false, not given exercises. See, first I am writing all the exercises, then I will take them one by one. These exercises. Okay.
Okay.
They can give you true, false, yes, no, or they can give you yes, no, and
This is for the. Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. This is for the section three, right?
there is no hard and fast rule, Sean. Any exercise can come anywhere. There is no hard and fast rule.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
yes,
Fine. Fine.
that is why I'm taking all the exercises. There is no rule
Okay.
that this exercise will come in only one or two or three. No, there is no rule like that. Okay,
Fine. Fine.
so true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. Then third task type is your matching type of questions. Under matching type of questions, we have three types of exercises under matching types of questions. They can give you matching features. Now, which I'm writing now, these are all under matching types, which I'm writing now.
Okay.
Or they can give you matching heading, matching information. So there are basically three exercises for the matching type of questions: matching features, matching heading, and matching information.
Information.
Then the last task type is your completion type of questions. Under completion type of questions, we have around 7 exercises. They can give you summary completion, or they can give you note completion, or they can give you table completion, flow chart completion, diagram labeling, MCQs means multiple choice questions, and then we have short answer questions. Okay, so these are the exercises that are under your completion type of questions. Any doubts still here, Sean? Anything?
No, ma'am.
All clear?
Understood.
So I'm just briefing it again. Your reading is of 1 hour, general reading, 40 questions total.
Mm.
Section 1, 2, or 3 passage. Section 2, 2 passage. Section 3, 1 long text. They can give you true,
Mm.
false, not given, yes, no, not given, matching features, matching heading, matching information, and under completion we have 7 type of exercises. Okay. Now just understand, basically two things play a very pivotal role in your. It got
Sorry.
disconnected. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. God, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. So I was telling you two things play a very pivotal role, okay, in IELTS. First are
Okay.
your vocabulary words. Really very imperative. You have to be very strong in your vocabulary, right? Because this is a
Uh-huh.
technical English. This is not simple English. This is a technical English.
Yeah.
Second
Right,
thing
right.
are the strategies, the methods. Okay, so that I'm going to teach you the tips and the tricks, how to use the
Okay.
strategies in all these exercises.
Okay.
Now, let us come to the most vital part, that is your strategies. How to go for the strategies. Now, see, if I go for your true, false, not given, yes, no, not given exercise, matching features, matching heading, and all the completion, we follow one strategy. Why? Because in all these exercises, sequence is there. You know what is sequence? Chronological order is there somehow. Like you can get the
Yeah.
answers in a sequence order. Like first you will get the question, the answer in the question paragraph 1, then question 2, paragraph 2, like this. Okay, maybe up and down 2
Okay.
3 paragraph, but somehow sequence is there in all these exercises. But there is only
Okay.
one exercise that is exceptional, that is your matching information. Which one?
Matching information.
In matching information, we follow different strategy. Why? This is only one exceptional out of all, because only in matching information sequence is not there, only in this exercise. Okay, and you hardly have 1 hour and 40 questions to attempt, so you have to be very smart in applying the strategies, right? Then only you can finish your 40 questions, right?
Yes, yes. Right, right.
So for this I will give you another strategy only for This one, matching info. There's only one different exercise. Okay. Now start
Okay.
writing. Put the heading. Strategy for all the reading exercises. Strategy for all the reading exercises
Yes.
written except
Yes,
matching
ma'am.
information. Make a star and write except matching information. What have you written now?
Strategy for all the reading exercise except for matching information.
Correct. In matching information, I will give you the different one. Right? The reason I told you why. Because in all the exercises, sequence is there, but only in matching information, there is no sequence order. Right?
No sequences.
Write down. First step. Read the instructions and follow them well. Always read the instructions first, because instructions really are very important. Because as I don't know, I think I've told you this thing or not, because in IELTS now you will not get half or negative marking. Either you will get one or straight away zero. It is like this.
Okay.
So you have to
Okay.
be very meticulous, you have to be very careful in applying the strategies, and you have to read the instructions very carefully. Don't cross the word limit. In instructions, they
Okay.
will tell you, they will instruct you not more than one word, not more than two words, not more than three words. So please adhere to the instructions very carefully. Okay.
Okay.
Next step, you will read question number one. You will read question number one. Then you will go to paragraph one. After reading question number one, you will go to paragraph
Paragraph.
one. You will annotate the paragraph. I will teach you annotation after this. Okay, annotate the paragraph and then mark the answer. Next step, you will read question number two, then you will go to the next paragraph, then you will annotate the paragraph, and then mark the answer. And this
Answer.
will go with all the rest of the questions. Okay, so I mean to say, in all the exercises except matching information, we will go from question to paragraph. Always go like this. This is a right
Okay.
method to solve the reading exercise.
Okay.
Okay, so always go from question to paragraph, and
Question to
when
answer.
we read the question, always keep two things in mind. First, relate the meaning into your mind, what the question is asking you. And second thing is, pick from the keywords of the question. Okay. When we'll do exercises, then I will show you. So
Okay.
always pick from the
Okay.
keywords of the question. And then we have to search those keywords in the paragraph, right? We have to match them.
Okay.
So
Yes.
either you will get the same words, right? But sometimes they use
Yeah.
synonyms. Instead of that, you know what are synonyms? Which have same meanings, the word which have
Same
same
meaning.
meanings, right?
Right. Yes.
So this is called paraphrasing in IELTS. What it is called?
Okay.
Paraphrasing in IELTS.
Paraphrase.
And you are going to get paraphrasing 100% in reading also
Okay.
and listening also. Okay. So if you're not getting the direct words, in the other cases, you have to search for the synonyms in that case. Okay.
Okay.
Clear till here? So in all the
Yes,
exercises,
ma'am.
we'll be going from question to paragraph, right? Now,
Okay.
please don't apply this strategy to matching information, okay?
Matching
Because in
information.
matching information, I told you earlier also, there is no chronological order, right? And if you're going to follow from
Right.
question to paragraph, then we have to read the passage again and again. And it is
Okay.
going to waste a lot of time. So please don't do that.
Done.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
write down next heading, strategy for matching information exercises. Strategy for matching information
Information.
exercise. Okay. Write down. First step is same. Read the instructions.
Okay.
Okay. So first step is always read the instructions. That is
Information. Instruction.
next step is you will read paragraph first. Now this is vice versa. You will read paragraph first, then you will annotate the paragraph, and then you will mark the answer. It will be like this. Next step, you will read paragraph 2. Okay. You are going to read paragraph 2 and then tell me,
Mark.
read paragraph
Then
2,
read the
annotate the
paragraph
paragraph,
2.
right, and
Annotate the
then
paragraph and mark the answer.
mark the answer.
Like write the answer.
Yes. Okay. So it is like this. Okay. So in all the exercises, we are going from question to paragraph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But in matching information, we will go from
Para 2,
paragraph to question.
not to write the answer.
Paragraph to question only in this exercise. That's it. Because we have to save
Okay.
the time, right?
Okay.
Now write down a few more things. You know, hyphenated words. You know what are hyphenated words?
No, ma'am.
I am writing hyphenated words are counted as single word in IELTS. So hyphenated words are counted as single word in IELTS. Like we used to write like this. Well known. You know, hyphen is there. Can you see? These are called hyphenated words. Good
Okay.
hearted. Okay, so
Okay.
these are hyphenated words. They'll be counted as one word.
One word. Okay.
Next, you know what are contracted words?
No.
Contracted words are called short forms. These are called short forms.
Oops.
Short forms are not tested in writing. Yes, right. Na I apostrophe M, right? I am.
So that will carry a negative mark during.
Yes, it is going to degrade your band score.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, like we used to write like this I apostrophe M. You remember we used to like short forms like this.
So suppose like I ain't coming to school or college. So ain't.
I apostrophe double L. I will. Please don't use them. Okay, write the full
Okay.
forms. Right. Okay. In speaking, you can use, but please avoid them in writing.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, let us understand what is annotation. What is annotation strategy? Now, see what happens when our paper is in front of us. What we do, we start skimming and